election, senator, they will rig election and enter and say people voted them. Who voted them? Who voted him? Who voted him? Who voted him? Peter, who voted him?
Who of the Southeast?
They will rig election, do the selection, and say, and people's choice. Who chose you? Nobody chose you. You chose yourself with your money. Abaribe say, someone Ekpa claim that he's a content creator. He's no more a leader. He's no more prime minister. But even if at all someone Ekpa is a content creator, he create the content, people will like it. He create the content, people will obey. He create the content, people will follow. Even Abaribe will follow. Abaribe is following someone Ekpa content. If not so, he could not have been in panic. If not so, fear could not have gripped him. If not so, he could not have been rejoicing that someone Ekpa have been arrested. Which means he's not ignorant of someone Ekpa content. He's aware of someone Ekpa content. He's a follower of someone Ekpa content, whether he like it or not. Honorable Senator Abaribe, not only him, Igbo senators, Igbo reps, Igbo politicians, governors are no more honorable. They are horrible. Horrible leaders of their people. Horrible leaders that will be at home, elderly people that be at home. Goat will be born in bondage. That's what they are. He's jubilating that someone Ekpa went on special announcement, special assignment with the Finnish government, according to how Nigeria wants it, to lift biafra high, to announce someone Ekpa more and more. He was happy, rejoicing. Someone Ekpa had been arrested. Who told him that someone Ekpa is arrested? Propaganda to the core. Propaganda from pit of hell. Have you seen any mortal man rejoice when any of their brother is arrested, whether that one commit crime or not? You see mortal leaders, Fulanis, stand for better job until tinubu release him and cancel, remove all the terrorist charges against him for the sake of judgment or justice. It was released. Abaribe and the Igbo politicians and leaders were there. They saw Badejo, the leader of Menti Anla. They saw Menti Anla under Fulani herders going to farm to land, killing people in southeast, south. That one is not a terrorist. And they set him free. They did not comment. When he was caught and detained by tinubu, they did not rejoice that he had been caught. They went their own brother, fighting for their life, fighting for their future. They will say, go and arrest him, kill him. Now he said that someone Ekpa arrest will bring peace in southeast. So they talk. Nnamdi arrest will bring peace. Nnamdi killing. Nnamdi death. Nnamdikanu death. Killing will make southeast to be one of the best region in the world. As that part of Nnamdikanu kidnap him, is there peace in southeast? Is there peace in southeast? Now the Lagos Hamoneta, get him, Finland return him. Is the problem in southeast? Is the problem among Igbos? Now for these few days, Hamoneta went on a special assignment. Is there peace in southeast? Is there peace among Igbos? Is there peace in Biafra land? Killing of farmers in any good place. Didn't it take place? What did Abaribe say about the killing? What did the Peter say about the killing in his own state? They keep silent. But if Igbo man carry gun now to defend himself, he become a terrorist. Look at the people are leading Igbos. This last Monday sit at home, 25th of the yesterday. All of us know that it's brutal in Southeast. Is it someone that did this? People choose to stand for their leaders, whom they know that is their leader. You took nnamdikanu. People went on the sit at home to release nnamdikanu because they knew that is their leader. Now you announce propaganda that someone have been arrested. See the violence in sit at home. Is it someone Ekpa? Or is it Dr. Lady Ngozi Orabeze? Order them to be violence. People choose it because they feel that you have touched their leader. Abaribe said in channel that all those criminals, all those bad elements, hoodlums, they feel that every evil man, whenever you talk of Biafra, they say, hey, this is our leader, this is our leader. They really love that person. That's the wish of people. People want to leave Nigeria. People don't want to be in Nigeria. This is why anybody that come out, according to Abaribe, and say Biafra, Biafra, they follow that people. Why can't Abaribe come out and do what will make people to follow him? Why can't Abaribe come out and do what will make people to follow him? Election, senator, they will rig election and enter and say people voted them. Who voted them? Who voted him? Who voted him? Tinubu, who voted him? Who voted him?
Who of the Southeast?
They will rig election, do the selection and say, I'm people's choice. Who chose you? Nobody chose you. You trust yourself with your money.
But as for the sit at home, do you not think the people are scared to come out on Mondays, even after some people have been arrested? Do you not think that the people of the Southeast, do you not think they are scared to come out they are scared for their life to come out? Even
Monday sit at home had been since they arrested nnamdikanu.
But according to reports, nnamdikanu said he is not part of this sit at home there in the Southeast. That he has, he said.
Then
we've seen it severally that even nnamdikanu brother and nnamdikanu, nnamdikanu even through his lawyer and his brother, nnamdikanu brother, have come out and said that nnamdikanu is not in support of the sit at home.
if nnamdikanu is not in support of sit at home, nnamdikanu is not initiated it, and the people are not doing that, nnamdikanu should be support of it. People are doing for nnamdikanu to come out. They do not ask nnamdikanu to support us. Understand? If people were asking nnamdikanu to support it, they will wait until nnamdikanu come and give order. They do not wait nnamdikanu to come and give order. People are doing it willingly. People are doing it willingly to support nnamdikanu, not nnamdikanu to support them. Understand what I'm saying? People are doing it willingly to support nnamdikanu, not nnamdikanu to support them. Even someone that wasn't the one who initiated it. People rise up to do it. DOS, betrayers, initiate it in hypocrites. Later they say stop it. Stop it. People say no, we will not stop it. And that's what I'm saying. Abaribe said, I watch it on channel, but someone Ekpa said he's not a Biafra leader, he's not an IPOB leader, he's just a content creator. Okay, he's a content creator. And whenever he creates content, people will buy it. People will key to it. Even Abaribe key to it. Content creator, Abaribe said, someone Ekpa claim that he's a content creator. He's no more a leader. He's no more prime minister. But even if at all someone Ekpa is a content creator, he create the content, people will like it. He create the content, people will obey. He create the content, people will follow. Even Abaribe will follow. Abaribe is following someone Ekpa content. If not so, he could not have been in panic. If not so, fear could not have gripped him. If not so, you could not have been rejoicing that Sam Manepa have been arrested. Which means he's not ignorant of Sam Manepa context. He's aware of Sam Manepa context. He's a follower of Sam Manepa context, whether he like it or not. These are Igbo leaders, hypocrites, deceivers. When they come home tomorrow, they will let us to hail all of them. Hey, Achinozo, Omeraha, Chinka Iwere, Chinka Boy Iwere. Shame to Igbo leaders, shame to Igbo senators, shame to Igbo politicians, shame to Igbo governors. They are nothing to the people. They are not sharing kind of the people. Forget what North are doing. Forget what West, Yorubas are doing. Forget what Hausa Fulani are doing. The problem of Igbo man is our leaders. Right from ages, it's our leaders. They are betrayers.
Question that have struck on that thing that have struck the minds of the Biafrans is that they said Sam Ekpa was arrested, but even Abaribe even come and say that Ekpa is a content creator. But there's no any video or picture, show when they arrested Sam Ekpa or when Sam Ekpa appeared in court. That all what they know is that everything is a propaganda. That Ekpa was not arrested. That if he was truly arrested, why is it that there are no videos or picture of this?
This is what I say. That Sam Ekpa went on a special assignment on behalf of Biafra government in exile at the surface of Biafra. People were shouting, he had been arrested. Is it not the first time we had the Sam Ekpa have arrested? This one will make it the third time. That is rumored in Nigeria. Enemies of Biafra and enemies of Sam Ekpa jubilating. Where are they? Those people are jubilating that Sam Ekpa be arrested. Where are they now? Where are they? Both in government, both in the public sector. Where are they? Sam Ekpa be arrested. Where is the party they are throwing? Sam Ekpa is arrested. Leave people leaders alone. But all I know, all those things that Abaribe said in channel or whatever is doing, secretly or openly, against Biafrans, against Sam Ekpa, one day, Abaribe will regret. He will regret like Zeke. All Zeke did at the near grave, Zeke regretted that the time is too late for him to apologize. All I know, one day, Abaribe will say, my people, I am sorry. One day, he will apologize. Not only him, all those like-minded of him in Igbo land. Soludo, Mba Oju Sotalo, Umai, Unobialo, Igbo State Governor. I have forgot his name now. One day, people like them, Theodoji, Ipazu, Ifeanyi, Ugwuanyi. One day, all of them will apologize.
Another question that people have asked is that why is it that Abaribe is not in the Senate? Why is he not talking about the killings in the southeast, and at the same time why is he not proposing the federal government building a seaport or an airport there in the south?
They are leaders. Have you seen that? The leaders of Igbos, what they are after, kill Sam Ekpa, kill nnamdikanu, to bring IPOB down. But other things that will make the people to feel their impact that these people are representing us, they cannot forward it. Have you seen any bill, any Igbo senator, both Abaribe and others, raised in the house for the betterment of Easterners, both south and southeast? Have you seen it? Have you seen it? I beg, let us talk about the living, not about the dead. Thank you.
There are sets of men, group of people come together to form a club to benefit their own self-interest. Now, I want to ask you, Ever since Ohanese has been from 1975, they have formed Ohanese. What impact has that played in the eastern region? What development has that brought to eastern region? I remember humble self evangelist Benjamin Johnson S.S. Nachi, the only Biafran evangelist that speak the truth and nothing but the truth and believe in the truth, ready to end by it. Listen and listen good. Ohanese now have come back to their senses. You know, when they were dancing at the first place, that they have arrested Simon Ekpa. Unfortunately for them, today they are hearing a different news from another source, from the right source, that the man that they call an enemy is actually their lover. Is actually the one that had them at heart. Actually the one who protects them, who protect their interests and interests of that of their children, even the children unborn. Is the one that love the Igbo people, that love them more than the way they understand him. That is why they themselves now have come to see that what they think or what they thought about him was not actually whom he is. And what Nigeria has painted Simon Ekpa to be actually was not what he is. Now, internationally, glory be to God, Finland has confirmed him and they have freed him. Now, they are pleading because they know the consequences if their sins are not being forgiven by Simon Ekpa. If their atrocities are not being forgiven by Mazen himself, Mazen nnamdikanu, you know they are part of the people that play with the Nigerian politicians, Nigerian government to kidnap Mazen nnamdikanu. They are part of the people. And now, part of the people again against Simon Ekpa. But finally, Simon Ekpa has defeated Nigeria government. So they are now looking for a way so that by the time we finally have Biafra, that them will have an access to their homeland, to their compound, to their families, so that even when they die, their corpse will not be tormented or being delayed, just the same way Ifeanyi Ubah own was delayed. If actually he was finally laid down in Anambra State. If actually you are just saying that,
it's not everybody saw.
I said you are just saying that. If actually it's under probability, so they themselves doesn't want to experience that. Neither do they wish their corpse to experience it. You see why they are pleading now. You see why they are begging now. They are too shameful to face Simon Ekpa because they don't know how to go to him. That was why they are going through the chief of staff in person of Dr. Ngozi Orabueze. That's why they are going through her, that she should as well plead with Simon Ekpa for forgiveness. You know, these are one of the reasons that Nigeria appointed Bianco Juku to go and lob with who? With Simon Ekpa concerning this agitation, which Simon Ojukwu Bianca turned them down. That was why when the Mr. President want to make another appointment, he never include any Igbo person again, whether man or woman, because the one he did disappointed him. So now, Ohanese Ndi Igbo, I love your step. Nobody above mistake. But you should understand earlier and wear the shoe of fatherism. Though I am not surprised either, because they are feeding from Nigerian purse. Nigerian government are the one feeding them and feeding their children, their family. Nigerian government are being the one taking care of them. That is why they are in a propaganda of negativity, going contrary of the truth and going against their own son.
But then, are they not standing in for the Igbos? You know, as I went you.
Ohanese Ndi Igbo never.
Yes.
There are sets of men, group of people come together to form a club to benefit their own self-interest. Now, I want to ask you, ever since Ohanese has been from 1975, they have formed Ohanese. What impact has that played in the Eastern region? What development has that brought to Eastern region? That is to tell you that they are just self-centered people. They are not for the Eastern people. They are just for themselves and within themselves. They are not sending anybody. But now they have seen it that these ones want to liberate the Easterners from that darkness that Ohanese and Igbo are placed upon the Biafrans. So that's why they are collecting money from Nigeria, trying to curb that agitation, try to stop laying false accusation, false allegation upon their own sons who choose to liberate their people from the hands of predators called Nigeria. So with this, now, with the defeat that Simon Ekpa has defeated Nigeria, they say now put fear onto them. You know, you can see now, even in the military, the Nigerian military currently now are quiet. There is a serious calm. Musa is now quiet. Buba quiet. All of them, they are all silent, including the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the Senate. Look at Ekpa too. Now changing his mouth. Are you getting it? So that is to tell you the impact that fear has created in Nigeria by the winning of Simon Ekpa in Finland.
But we've seen some Biafrans even come and say that maybe the reason why Ohanese is going, to apologize, through Ngozu Orabueze is because they've seen her as someone that she will be dogged, she'll be even more proactive than Simon Ekpa. But some are saying she might be more wicked, or than Ekpa. But do you think that she will be more, how will I use that word now? Do you think that she will be more agile, more effective than Simon Ekpa? She assume that position as the acting prime minister.
Simon Ekpa never be a wicked man. He has never been a wicked person, for he has not wicked anybody. He only tried to defend his people whom he loved. That led to the suffering of our leader, nnamdikanu, in the hands of Nigerian DSS. The love, the passion they have for us is what makes them to go the way they are going. Not that they hate anybody. They are not wicked. Are you getting it? You see Ngozi herself. Hey, that Ngozi you are seeing, it's a mother. She feel the pains more than nnamdikanu. She feel the pains more than Simon Ekpa, thinking that curbing Simon Ekpa and nnamdikanu will stop the agitation. When a woman, there's something I want you to understand. Don't allow women to hold meeting against you. You see women, don't allow them to rise up against you. If they rise up against you, you are finished. If Ngozi should rise up with other women and other people.
Do you think she's capable?
Yeah. What? What are you saying?
Do you think she's capable?
Don't you know that there are women that are more capable than men? Look at somebody like Bianca. It's a woman of her world. It's a woman of integrity. It's a woman of principle. It's a woman that is not ready to sell herself cheap. To sell herself because of selfish interest. She has principles, she has policy. That Ngozi you are seeing Her type is like Ojukwu wife, Bianca, of which if Ojukwu wife for Bianca, or that opportunity or that position, if she ascend to that position, that is when you will know that even Bianca herself is more rugged than her husband. You will see that she's more rugged than her husband. Currently now, look at the assignment she was called for. Look at the way she turned the federation down. Look at the way she just threw it one side and move on with her life. The only thing you can do is to withdraw your appointment. She's okay before your appointment, and without your appointment, she remain okay. So they are not the type that you can entice with anything. You get it now? So that is why it's like you have not watched that lady speak. When you listen to her speech, you will know that yes, that lady, there is something about her, which is like the presence of Simon Ekpa himself is even covering that is in her. She is a woman to trust, a lady to follow. Are you getting it? A laid down platform, a laid down structure has been laid, and that is what she followed. I listened to her yesterday. I watched her speech. Yes, she spoke very well, very intelligently, with a full confidence, and it still assure us coming December 2nd, starting from this month, November 29. And as I'm talking to you, the current American Chief of Staff, Wills, is now moving down to Finland concerning the convention. I am talking to you, I'm telling you the fact. You know, whenever I speak, I say the whole universe, people from Germany are sending delegates. People from France are sending delegates. People all over the world are moving for the convention. Go after this interview, after this interaction, this discussion, go and sit down and make some verification. You will discover that in Finland, most of the hotels there have been occupied. No space again. People are now renting hotels from neighbors because of the convention. Ogade Popo, Ogade Behuge, Ogadoda. Because what is written is written. It can never be wiped out. It has been written and documented as stated that Biafra Republic will be announced December 2nd, and the convention starts November 29, 2024. Are you hearing me? So don't panic. You too, don't panic. Prepare yourself on that day and join us. Come. A serious invitation is given, even to Musa, Buba, even Shetima. Free visa. We pay. The Biafra is capable to pay for your fee. We pay for you. You come and celebrate with us and witness it. And join us. Join us to rejoice on that very day, to the glory of God Almighty. And it shall be well with everybody. God bless Biafra.